Today on Drinks with Diablo, you gonna get bit by a rattlesnake. Welcome back to Drinks with Diablo. This is your host, Johnny Diablo, and today we got a special request going out to Whitney Schaefer and her pal Melinda. And this one is for the Rattlesnake. And what you're gonna need for this one: Irish cream, Kahlua, and creme cacao. And this is a layered shot. Alright, and this is how it rolls. We're going to put some Kahlua in the bottom. Some creme cacao in the midst of this. And then on top, your Irish cream. And there you go, the rattlesnake. So how's this rattlesnake bite ya? Let's find out. Tasty. Kind of tastes like chocolate a little bit. The creme cacao, the Kahlua, the Irish cream, it's pretty good. It's nice and sweet. It's kind of like eating a candy bar in a way. Pretty good, but this will knock you back. I'd say this is about a 5, maybe a 6 on the alcohol scale. Maybe about a 5, I'd say. So there you go. The rattlesnake. This is going out to Whitney and Melinda. If you have a drink that you want to see, leave it in the comments below or head on over to our website, TheFNDC.com/drink-requests. Leave your drink request right there for me. I'll put it on the list. Thanks again for being here. Tell me what time it is.
Happy drinking!
Peace out!